What's going on, guys? Today is Sunday, and normally on Sundays I'd be editing a video right now because I usually upload on Sundays, but it's been a very busy week. We also have a lot going on right here at the new location. Part of the reason why the ceiling is not exactly in place, we've been painting stuff. As you can see, I'm still working on this project right here. This is a Morgan Plus 4. Not the easiest car to work on. All these curves and edges and just intricate areas makes it quite difficult to polish this car. So I'm going to be finishing up this. I hope I'm going to be finishing up this project today. And I figure I'm gonna just take you through today and turn this video into some sort of like day in the life video. Since you guys really seem to have enjoyed the last one, you know, why not do another one of these? So you're not too sure which video will be up first. Maybe this one, or maybe the full detail video of this car. I'm not too sure yet. Just depends on what I decide to edit first. But anyway, I'm gonna finish up here. Still have to ceramic coat this car as well. But I may head over to the warehouse first, do some work there, get a head start of the week, and then we'll probably get back here, ceramic coat it, and then we'll see how much time we have left. And I may wash my own car this evening. We'll see. So what I'm doing here, I'm just checking around the warehouse to see if we are running low on certain products, making a list so I can put in an order with our supplier on Monday morning. And as you can see, the warehouse is really getting too small. Everything is starting to get piled up here. So it's really time to move here in a little bit to the new location. On Monday morning, we have 2 pickups from 2 different transport companies. So here I'm preparing the pallets with the packages that the team have already packed. There were a bunch of comments on the first day in the live video that I've done. And it appears that a lot of people didn't know we actually have our own, warehouse, store, web shop. A lot of people didn't know about this. So if you're new here, maybe it's your first time watching these videos, we do have our own store, which is called Car Detail. The website is cardetail.be. We are based in Belgium. We've been doing this for a couple of years now. I think something like 6 years. So, feel free to check it out. All right, so I am back at the new location. I'm just gonna give the shop over here a quick clean with this machine. It's already getting pretty late, so I'm probably gonna coat the car tomorrow. I'm just gonna give the car, and probably the Camaro as well, just gonna give him a quick clean. But I want to get the shop cleaned up first. So this is Kohimi Cosmo Clean. So this is a garage floor cleaner. Works pretty well in this machine right here. Right, so now that's done. Gonna give the cars a quick clean. The Camaro is pretty clean. I'm just gonna be, actually I'll do a rinseless on this and then just clean the, what's going on here? Just clean the wheels thoroughly. And on the GLE, I'll do a proper wash on that because that thing is filthy. So in here I got brake buster. Turn my nozzle. Right, there we go. Wheels aren't that bad either, but I normally do a pre-rinse, but they're just a fine layer of dust on there, really. But the car has to go to the garage tomorrow for a service, and I just want it to be clean, you know. New towel by the Rag Company. This is the Slim Dryer, which we also have available in the store. Pretty cool towel. I like this design. This digital camo design. Pretty cool. It's getting dark, so I pulled the GLE inside. This is going to be one of my first indoor washes. At the new location here. Obviously, we're going to be doing something to the walls there as well. But our main priority right now is getting the warehouse moved here. That's our main priority. That's coming over on that side. By the way, I'm doing a pre-wash with Build Hamber touchless here for the wheels because they were filthy. So doing a pre-wash, and then I'll just use brake buster, get them cleaned up. So yeah, we still have a lot of work to do before the building will actually be fully functionable. But you know, main priority, get the warehouse here, and then we're gonna be here all the time. So it's gonna be a lot easier, no more going back and forth between locations. So I'm really, really looking forward to that. These wheels are coated with, I did this a couple weeks ago, with the Armor Detail Supply wheel coating, and man, I'm gonna bring in the camera here because you gotta see this. These wheels are just pre-washed with Bilthammer touchless, that's it. Obviously I'm gonna clean them, but you should just take a look at the beading here. Alright guys, so I just finished up cleaning the wheels. I have about a minute left on the SD card, so I'm gonna finish up cleaning the rest of the car off camera probably, and I'll catch you guys in the morning, tomorrow in the morning. So Monday mornings are usually very busy here. I usually help out in the warehouse. I don't really get to do a lot of detailing on a Monday. So we pack orders with the team, and I also do some other stuff, you know, just stuff that needs to be done, like customer service, emails, all that kind of stuff really. And of course, Nala's also here, but she gets a little tired every now and then. Our store is closed on Mondays just so we have enough time to catch up on all these weekend orders. All right, so I'm back at the shop here, the new location, finishing up a wipe down with Vermijl panel prep, and I'm gonna start coating the car. So Mondays are mostly spent in the warehouse because we have a lot of catching up to do on, you know, weekend orders and stuff like that. I try and also answer as many emails as I can on Monday. You know, just trying to catch up from Saturday and Sunday, really. But it's now time to coat this car. I got Vermijl ceramic body here. Where's my thing? I'm gonna be applying this one to this Morgan. There we go. Ceramic body comes with these applicators, a large one, a small one, and then of course the, whoops, have to take this out first. Bottle itself, of course. I'm gonna be working on this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put the application in this video. I might just put this in the full detail video, which is coming in a few days. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'm gonna finish up here, and let me know in the comments if you would like to see more of this. I will try my best to upload these type of videos every now and then, and my goal is eventually to upload 2 videos a week. So if you enjoyed, let me know in the comments. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.